The idea for what we're doing today is to put an entire meal in the oven at one time and pull it all out at one time. We're gonna do a leg of lamb roasted over some vegetables, a roasted potato dish, macaroni and cheese, and the mixed berry crisp. The dual convection system in the Wolf electric ovens is just gonna make this meal so easy. If you're having a dinner party, you don't have to be in the kitchen the entire time cooking. This is a lamb loin. Looks like it's been seared with some roasted carrots. You talk about doing something like this for a larger group. You would have to sear a lamb loin for everyone and then slice these little slices for everyone. For a larger group, doing a larger roast just makes life a lot easier. I'm glad we're here for lunch. That's fantastic. One of the great things of this demonstration of everything in the oven at once and everything out of the oven at once is that you do get to sit down with the people that you're with, as opposed to just cooking for them. You're actually having an event with them. This is the fennel and the carrots, the garlic, and this is going to go right below the leg of lamb. It's already been trimmed out very nicely. I really don't have to do anything to this. I'm just going to season it, tie it back up, and put it on the rack here. There's dual convection in all of our ovens. Having two convection fans is really going to circulate this air in a much more even pattern than a single convection fan oven ever could. And what this allows us to do is to put in up to 6 dishes at one time, so you're not in the kitchen constantly flipping things around because you're worried the bottom is going to cook too fast, the top's not going to cook fast enough. Having an oven that can do all these things at one time is really critical to getting those dinner parties to come off correctly. Now I'm going to set the probe temperature, and that's all we have to do. The key is to prep this the day ahead of time. An hour or so before dinner, you just pull it out of the fridge, pop it in the oven, and go back out in the living room and have another glass of wine. Our oven has reached the probe alert temperature, and I can start pulling everything out. And there we go. There is our everything in, everything out meal, ready for 10 people all at one time. And this is exactly what I want. Nice and juicy. It really is no hassle, and this isn't just about cooking for large groups of people. Even if you're cooking for 2 or 4 people, the same thing is going to apply. This looks perfect right here. I mean, I get emails. I even get handwritten thank you cards saying it has made me want to cook for my family and myself more.